Aloha, I'm Christine Behrens, and today we're at my latest listing in the desired subdivision of Malulani Gardens. Malulani Gardens is a gated subdivision close to town. It's about 1.5 miles from the Kailua Pier. This home is one of the largest floor plans in Malulani Gardens. With this beautiful 2-story home, you're going to enjoy these sweeping 180-degree ocean views of all hours of the day. This home has a front lanai that you enter. You could have also come in through the garage down below. Inside the home here, we lead right into this beautiful updated kitchen with granite countertops, high-end appliances. You've got a JENN-AIRE induction stovetop, JENN-AIRE oven, beautiful glass backsplash, views of Mauna Loa, views of Hualalai. I can see more ocean views. You can create over here whichever you would like, a little breakfast bar. Maybe this is your little appetizer section for parties. These windows are all nice because they're shutters. They shut really nice, and then you can close them up for any privacy, even though you feel so private up here. The glass on these windows has also been tinted to help with that afternoon sun. New AC has been put out in the last year. There is a brand new roof on here. The flooring is a luxury vinyl plank koa. And just notice all of the storage throughout the kitchen. And as we walk back here into our primary bedroom, this is a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home, just under 1,700 square feet. Again, ocean views from your primary bedroom. You have Malka views. This is also one of the largest lots here. This has been really nicely remodeled. Just again, lots of storage in here. And then you have a large walk-in closet. You have a double sink, recessed lighting throughout the entire home, all on dimmers. The primary bedroom has a bathroom right off here, and it is a walk-in shower. 3 different types of shower heads, that beautiful blue aqua glass backsplash throughout, and again, ocean views. This home is also equipped with a Bose system. So you'll notice there's speakers in the primary bedroom, there are speakers in the bathroom, the living room, the kitchen, the lanai out front, the lanai downstairs, both bedrooms. You've got a half bath for guests. And now we will walk on downstairs here. Now I'm down on the lower level of the property. This is where the other 2 bedrooms are and the full half bath. So this is bedroom number 2. I'm looking out of the outdoor shower. Beautiful landscaping throughout this property. These are brand new closet doors, lots of space in these bedroom closets, etched glass. Again, the Bose system in here as well, central AC, which is already nice and cool down here. This slider is a brand new slider as well. I love this too because the blinds are installed between the glass. Allows for a lot of privacy and a lot more room. Here we are in bedroom number 3. Could be an office, your guest room. You got a little peekaboo ocean view over here. Very private down here, very quiet neighborhood. Now when we go back here down the hallway, we've got a little storage room, which is all the way under the stairs. So just such nice storage throughout. A pocket door if you wanted to close anything in there. We have a beautiful 2-car garage. Again, look at all of this storage. That is just something you don't get in a lot of Kona properties. I love that they also have a separate quarter here for the washer and dryer. I mean, this could be your laundry room. This could be your man cave, you know, his and hers, whatever you would like. And we'll walk back in here to this beautiful redone double sink bathroom. Again, you've got more storage under the sinks. You have a little closet in there. Then you have a tiled with the larger tiles bathtub. You can look outside, see those palm trees, a little bit of ocean view. This house has just been very tastefully done. Recessed lighting throughout. This lot is a little over 7,000 square feet. It's a larger lot for Malulani Gardens. If you walk out here, I can hear the birds chirping. So quiet. We've got some ginger covered lanai patio. You can have your, guests over, have some quiet time, listen to some music. River rock throughout, stones, zero scaping back here, which is really nice. You've got a little bit of grass over here for your furry friends. And the palm trees are just beautiful over here. You've got some areca palms, the gated all the way around the property here. We're just kind of going to walk through this Zen garden as you see it. We have fruit trees, just plenty of seating out night. It's just so peaceful back here too. Walk all the way around. We're surrounded by this big rock wall too, so I don't hear a lot of noise. One of my favorite features is this outdoor shower lined with bamboo. Look at how large this is. Got outdoor shower, we have custom towel hooks, lipstick palms, tea trees. We'll walk back out through the front here. This property just keeps going and going. I love how there's just the stones here and the river rock. You really can just make this your own. We've got some lilies. Plants just thrive here at this elevation. Got another seating area if you want. Lots of big hedges down here. You can just see how private it is. The garage is nice. You'd have it covered. You can either pull your cars under the lanai, which we're standing under right here, and it's nice and covered. The driveway offers plenty of parking. Because of the CC&Rs here, you're not allowed to park on the street, so you definitely have lots of guest parking, even though there are visitor stalls. So this beautiful property is ready for you, and it's awaiting your arrival.